Hi, my name's Chloe Henderson and welcome to coinoperatedpress. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make earrings out of plectrums, featuring our very own pink cog plectrums, which are super awesome and I can't wait to make them into earrings. It's an easy process and a really effective way to make some really cool earrings. First up, let's go through what you'll need. So first you'll need a couple of pairs of pliers, any old pliers will do, a drill, I'm using a little hand twist drill, a Sharpie or a permanent marker, and then of course some little drill bits to fit your drill. I'm using 1mm drills. You'll need some jump rings and of course the little ear hooks. I'm using sterling silver for mine, and the most important thing, of course you will need the plectrums. Your first step is to make a little mark of where you're going to drill your hole. Now this little hole is going to be where the little jump ring attaches to the ear hook. I just roughly marked out the middle spot of the top edge, but you can measure if you want. Next up, we're getting out our drill bits to attach into our drill. I'm using 1mm drill bits because they will fit most jump rings, and they're the easiest ones to pick up at most hardware stores that are the smallest, otherwise you might need to use a specialist drillers to get smaller drills. I'm also using a hand drill because they're really easy to find, I don't need to plug it in, and because it's a gentle drill it's not going to break the plectrum. You can use an electric drill for this, but just be careful not to split the plastic, as it can be brittle as you start to drill into it. If you're going the electric route, make sure to use a slow speed and be gentle with your drilling. You'll also need to grab a little piece of cardboard or something that you don't mind drilling into. This just protects any surface that you're working on. And then get to it, drill your little hole. Make sure to line it up with the mark that you used and gently drill a hole into your plectrum. Watch your fingers, and if you're a young person watching this, please ask an adult to help you with this stage. And there we have it, 2 plectrums drilled with little holes ready to be assembled into earrings. And that is the next step. We're going to be assembling these plectrums into earrings. So grab your pliers and we will get started. You want to grab a big enough jump ring that's going to fit through your plectrum and be able to dangle on your ear hook. And then grab a little tiny jump ring that is soldered shut for extra security. The reason you need 2 jump rings is so that your ear hook hangs to the front and you can see the plectrum design from the front. I then open up the ear hook and attach my little plectrum charm onto the earring, being careful to make sure that the design goes to the front of the earring. I then close up my ear hook and the earring is ready to wear. Now you just gotta repeat all those steps with the second earring. Ta-da! Finished earring! They look amazing! I'm so excited by these plectrum earrings, I'm going to wear them all the time. If you want to look as fancy as I do with your pink cog plectrum, hit the link in our description below to our shop and buy your own cog plectrums. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you'll enjoy making your own plectrum earrings. There's so many cool plectrums out there that you can find and upcycle into jewellery. Also go back and count the amount of times I said plectrum in this video. Plectrum, plectrum, plectrum. It's starting to sound not like a word anymore, so I think that's where I'm going to end off this video. I'd like to take a quick minute before I go to thank our Patreons for helping support this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more craft videos from us, as well as loads of zine related content. See you in our next video, bye!